What's going on, everybody? I wanted to bring this directly to you because a lot of people have been asking, where can I get started? How can I get started getting some cheap equipment just to start? So I found the best place to buy cheap equipment, okay? Facebook Marketplace. If you haven't been out to Facebook Marketplace lately, you gotta go check it out. They completely redesigned the entire interface, and now it makes buying so much easier and even selling, because the way they do the shipping, it's all integrated. You just pick what size package and weight it would be, and it's all automatic. So you can literally buy equipment from anywhere and it'll get shipped directly to you, and it's super easy to do, and it's fast, and it's insured, and it's awesome. Just for an example, I am shooting right now on a Canon T5i, which I actually bought off of Facebook Marketplace, and this Canon T5i only cost me $290. That's right. And this thing is like brand new. It is clean, beautiful. It works fantastic. Now that was just for the body only. If you want to get lenses, or some of the lenses with T5i, or even T3i, T4i, T6i, they're all out there and they're very inexpensive. You can find T3i's for about anywhere from $250 to about $350. Like $325, $350 will actually give you one with a kit lens and maybe even a battery grip. I've also seen out there, like I'm looking right now on my phone, there is a Canon T5i with battery grip and 2 lenses for just $350. So, I mean, how can you go wrong with something like that? If you're just shooting YouTube videos and you just want decent, high quality HD content, you can't go wrong with something like that. Make sure you go and check it out, Facebook Marketplace. If you guys haven't been out there in a while, I'm telling you, go out there and check it out. Also, like if you're looking for GoPros or anything like that, GoPro Hero 7 Black with a suction cup mount and head helmet mount and stuff like that, $150. And it is like pristine, brand new, like maybe it was used once or twice for a YouTube video or something. $150. You cannot get a better deal than that. It's even cheaper than Amazon. So that's the secret to finding great, cheap equipment. Go out to Facebook Marketplace, check it out. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Trying to grow my subscriber base. Please go out there, hit that button and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.